Hey everybody, it's me, Rebecca Black, the Bexa Boss Lady, and I am here with a fresh unboxing video for you. You know I'm always looking for new opportunities to source and find inventory, so when Smashlots reached out to me to do an unboxing video for you, I absolutely said yes. I don't think there are enough places to find inventory out there that are accessible to everybody. So here is the box. It's not that big, but they have some good stuff on their website. And so we are just gonna crack this baby open and see what they sent me. Now, they reached out to me and this product was sent to me for free for doing an unboxing video. So I just want to make sure that I disclose that relationship. However, I have no idea what is in this box. You are going to see it all for the first time with me today. All right, so we have a box here that looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's 13 items on the manifest list here. Yep, 13. So we're just gonna start opening them. Let's see, first thing up, looks like there's some Macy's tags on these. So this is a Max Studio London blouse, or no, it's a dress. So this is like a shirt dress. It's really cute. And the retail value of this is $128. It's got a belt with it, so it's always good when the belt, you know, comes with the items. This is also a Macy's item, I believe. Yep, Macy's tag on it. And this is a Guess dress. Wow, this is pretty. So this is a floral Guess dress, and it's got, I don't know if you can see that, but it's got a V-neck lace, and there's some lace with stars on it here. And the retail price on this dress was $108. So this is from Macy's Last Act. This is a Sanctuary sweater, like a ribbed sweater. And it's a size small, but it's oversized. So this says the retail is $89. So it's like an oversized sweater. This is a bar 3 cardigan. It's a size medium. So it's just a black knit cardigan sweater. Retail $69.50. We have a Free People, what is this? A Free People black shirt with bell sleeves, or whatever, yeah, bell sleeves. So it's like a jersey knit type fabric. This is a size large. Looks like it's off the shoulder too. I might keep that. Max Studio ripped jeans. So these are destroyed skinny jeans. The retail price on these is $88. This is a Maison Jewels crushed velvet cardigan sweater. Size small. It's so soft. This is incredibly soft. Another Max Studio little blouse. I wish this was my size. It's a medium. It might be too small. But it's two shoulders, but the one has a bow on it. Alright, this is a Ralph Lauren long sleeve plaid shirt. And Ralph Lauren usually sells pretty well for me, even if, especially if it has the tag. So this says $89.50. Another Max Studio extra large, like a sleeveless blouse with ruching in the front, size extra large. This is another bar 3. It's like a one cold shoulder, one side cold shoulder. T-shirt. Actually, that's nice. This is nice. I like this. Guys, I like this stuff for myself. Alright, Maison Jewels, another one. Sweater. Oh, that's cute. With the embroidery on the side. That's a size medium. So these are all items that are new with tags. Like liquidation from Macy's. And this is Style & Company. Oh, it's a maxi dress. So it's a Style & Company maxi dress. And the retail on that is $69.50. So depending on, I was looking at their pricing and I felt that their pricing was pretty good. They also had on their website, they have the manifest of what you're actually getting when you buy them online. So if you go to, I think it's just smashlots.com, I'll put the link to this to the Smashlots and you can check it out yourself. But it is good to have some new with tags items in there. Obviously, like the Style & Company won't sell for that much. The Max Studio, there's some cuter styles in there, but that also is a harder brand to sell. It's not as sought out. But I do think the bar 3 stuff, the Maison Jewels, the Guest Dress, the Free People, will sell pretty well, and I'm gonna keep a couple pieces. So even if you get to keep some of them for yourself, it's a good deal. So anyway, I would say that I am happy with these items that they sent me from Smashlots, and I would highly encourage you to just look at it for another source of inventory. Obviously, you know, don't go buy a ton. You should always try a little bit at a time. I did notice they have lots of menswear, so men's suits, men's shirts, men's dress clothes. If you sell menswear, it also might be a really great resource for you to check out. Yeah, so overall I'm happy. I'm actually going to keep a couple of these and then resell the rest. So I will do a follow-up video maybe in a month or two and tell you how much I actually sold these items for. And I think that would be fun, so that at least you get an idea of, yes, I got these items and they did or did not sell. So as always, I hope you like this video. Give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my content, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.